Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to give me a like, please subscribe, comment down below, and push the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post up a new video. Yes, my bebecitas, mamacitas, my lovely ladies and my sisters, we're here to glow, not to feel low. So video until then, I love you girls. Hi again. So I've already applied the setting spray. This way my foundation doesn't get cakey and it gives you the smooth finish. That's exactly what I'm looking for this tutorial. I don't want dense and heavy look. I want my skin to look lightweight as possible, but sun-kissed. We'll get there. The foundation that I'll be using today is by L'Oreal and by Maybelline Fit Me. And I'm gonna take 2 pumps from the L'Oreal and 1 pump from Maybelline because it's way darker than the L'Oreal, and I'm gonna blend this too with the help of Skin Elixir by Flower Beauty for satin finish. Now I'm gonna apply a powder blush. You can use a liquid brush or a cream blush, whatever you feel like. On my cheeks where the sun hits and your cheeks looks burned. Yeah, exactly. And obviously on the bridge of my nose, and I just like to swipe it left and right. So now I apply a bit of bronzer just to get more natural sun-kissed look. I'll be using the same bronzer to contour my nose as well. Bronzer over my eyelids and under my eyelids as well. So the next big thing for me is the Kaale's eyelash glue, which works as a magnetic glue and eyeliner, 2-in-1, and I love it. Applying the bronzer again. I'm sorry, I can't help it.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
So I'm going for a red lipstick, and it's by Loaded Bolts by color Sensational Maybelline in the shade Dynamite Red 07.
So then, why?
And now I'm gonna apply a lip gloss by MINISO. I can't read the name, it's in, I don't know. But it's in the shade 03. That's it. Yep. And a setting spray to set the magic. Okay, so that was my final touch. I'm done. My eyebrows are done. And now I gotta do something with my hair. I don't know what to do with my hair, seriously. Anyways, and let's find something to wear. See you girls.